Hello friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So I've been seeing this trend going around and it looked so cool and it looked really easy. And I am not an artist. I'm a crafter, but I am not an artist. So I thought, if I could do this, anyone can. So I'm going to try it and just see how it goes. So this is the trend where people are taking a picture and then they're using a frame and they're outlining the picture and filling it in, and it comes out looking really nice. So I am going to try this and we're going to see how it turns out. So I just have a frame from the Dollar Tree, and it's just a glass frame, and then I'm gonna take it apart and I'm gonna just put it over my image. Now I'm gonna just start out by tracing everything. All right, friends, so how cute is this? Unfortunately, I leaned on it and I broke it. And I thought, I'm going to redo it because this is so cute and I don't want it broken. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this one because I want you to see how easy it was for me to just lean on it and break it. That way, to be a little bit more careful than I was. So I just taped it up on the back. But how stinking cute is this? I'm really happy with how it turned out. And here's my original picture. And then here is my painted picture. And I like it a lot. So listen, what a cute idea. This is a great gift that you can make for somebody. If you need a gift for someone and you just don't know, what to do for them, how adorable is this? So, and then you could, put it in a frame. You could keep it in the glass. I think, some glass pieces are quite sharp, so I probably would put it back in the frame without a backing. Let's see. Oh, wait a second. I forgot that you are supposed to turn it over. Even cuter. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay. So that's your front. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. All right, so let's put this in. And you paint the frame to whatever color you would like, but look how cute that turned out. Oh my gosh. I'm excited and impressed with this. Whoever thought of this, I wish I knew who thought of this because kudos to them. So there we go. Listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I will see you later. Bye.